Hi guys, today I want to discuss about AWS Secret Manager. AWS has a secret manager service which can be helpful to store the secrets like database credentials, API keys, etc. Suppose if you are writing a code application logic in which you have to interact with database, and for interacting with database you have to pass on your username and password. So if you are hard coding your username and password within the code base, it says security bad practice. So in order to prevent that, we can use AWS Secret Manager to avoid hard coding any kind of secrets into the code base. Let's see how we can create secrets into AWS Secret Manager and how we can retrieve them securely without hard coding anything. Go to Secret Manager. Yeah, here I'm going to create a secret. Here you can create credentials for RDS, and also you can create API keys or tokens, etc. For demo purpose, I'm creating one REST API key. Here I am giving ABCDF123. For demo purpose, I am assuming this as my key and click on next. Here you can mention the secret name rest keys. Specifying if you want to add any tags, you can add, otherwise, you can ignore. It's purely optional. Then click on next. See here it has a automatic rotation option if you want to rotate your keys as per your frequency. Suppose you want to rotate keys for 1 day, or after 2 days you want to rotate it, you can set the frequency and you can utilize this option, automatic rotation option. For today's demo, I'm not using it. And click on the next. Yeah, everything has been created. See here, it is giving a sample code in Java, JavaScript, C#, Python, Ruby, Go, etc. How we can access these secrets from the code. Let me copy this JavaScript code for further use case. Yeah, I'm storing it. See, you successfully stored the secret rest keys. Let me refresh this page. Yeah, I'm able to create the secret. So our first step is done. We have created a secret. Now let's see from the code base how we can retrieve these secrets. Let me go to a Lambda function. Let me create a new Lambda function with the name of call secrets. And here I'm selecting runtime as Node.js version 20, and I am creating this function. Let's keep on creating. Yeah, it got created. So here in the code base, I'm just removing it. I am pasting the code that I have been copied. So this code will call these secrets from the secret manager. So if you can see this code, it is secret name with the secret ID that you have mentioned in AWS secret manager, and response it is client.send. It is get secret value command is pass on that secret name, and after that if you can see this code, here the secret is response dot secret string, and we can get the secret in the response. Okay, let me console it, the response. Let me save it. and create one test event call. I'm naming it as call. Okay, and I'm executing this code. Okay, oops, it is giving me error, access denied error. Okay, let me see whether this Lambda function has the permission to access that secret manager or not. So in AWS, if one service has to interact with another service, it should have IAM role which has the permission to access that resource. Let me see whether this Lambda has the permission to access to that secret manager or not. Here it doesn't have access. So let me add permission to access the secret manager. For this role, I am adding one more permission like secret manager. Yeah, yeah, I have added this permission to this role. This role is already attached with this Lambda. Let me refresh it. See, now it has the ability to access secret manager also. Now we can run this code. Let me refresh it and let me run this code to see whether it is able to retrieve secret or not. Okay, now I am running it. Again, it is getting access denied message. Why? Whether the permission is been added or not. Okay, it has been added. All secrets. All secret manager read and write. Okay. Oh, yeah. So it consumed that role. It consumed that permission. Yeah. See, secret string step key ABCD. So in this way, we can able to retrieve those secrets and utilize in our code base instead of hard coding them within the code base itself. So here I'm printing the response. So everything has been printed like this metadata, ARN, everything. If I want to print only REST API key, I can simply print this secret here and I am deploying it and I am running it. See, now I am only printing this REST API key instead of entire response. So this is how you can able to retrieve secrets securely. Thank you guys. Please click on subscribe and share this video to your friends and click on like. It will give me a boost up to do more videos. Thank you.